Hello friends, welcome back. We will be doing the cradle of carcinosin, from where it is formed, how it becomes so sweet, submissive, and the other qualities which we will see in the other videos also, and as described by the authors in the previous video that we discussed. Okay, how it originates, how it forms, why the why of carcinosin is very important, and this was taught to us by our master Dr. Milindra sir, that I'll be sharing with you today. Because this side of carcinosin I had never realized that it can. Yes, I had studied in materia medica in college, but it was just a theoretical thing, that you have to mug up that carcinosin is there in destructiveness, and beyond destructiveness I could never imagine carcinosin in my clinic. The sweet part I could imagine, but destructive, how will I see this destructiveness? Okay, what will the parents say exactly? And when it becomes so sweet, then how this journey happens, how this transformation of an individual happens, how will a destructive child become such a sweet child? Okay, so this interconnectedness of remedies was so beautifully taught to us by our master, and for this there is a set of rubrics that I compiled based on the explanation given by Rao sir during the time when I used to be with him in his clinic. So he had told us that why will a person want to be why will people around want to dominate carcinosin? Why it is there in ailments from domination? He asked one simple question to all of us, that what kind of person gets dominated? So these questions, they actually made us think beyond and see the other side of remedies also. These questions are very important. Now, because of his questioning, we got trained to think like that about newer remedies, about the remedies which he never taught us. But this is how he made us think. So thinking is very important by your own self is very important, and this will only lead you to the path of understanding remedies in a better way. So we were all pondering that who will get dominated, or why the environment will dominate a person. This is the first question. So then these set of rubrics: rudeness of naughty children, runs about, rebellious, wrong everything seems, injustice cannot support, destructiveness, disobedience, contrary, admonition aggravates, children and admonition aggravate even kindly. So you see this kind of power. Why I'm using the word power? Because in being rebellious, a person holds power, and then only he can rebel. Rebel is what? Rebel is a step ahead of being defiant. So remedies like in defiant, we saw lycopodium, and there is veratrum. There are other many remedies in defiance. But carcinosin is in one step higher. It is there in rebellious. Who are rebellious? Who hold that power? See, even lycopodium holds power. But what kind of power does rebellion hold? Rebellion will be a person who will fight, show armed resistance against authority, as given in the dictionary. So carcinosin will be a very active person in any kind of protest. It is not, defiance is, I defy to obey your rules. I will not, see, suppose, I don't want to wear a mask outside, I will not wear it. But rebellion is what? Who will go to the authority and who will tell them that if you stop me from doing so, then I will take such and such action. He will hold some things with the tools, he will break things, and he will stand tall in front of the authority and say that, dare you challenge me. Okay, the people around will be very scared of a rebellion, whereas for a defiant, people will not be scared. He will not invoke fear in anyone's mind, but a rebellious person will invoke that fear in other people's mind, and that is why people will have to keep him under control. People will have to show that power to him so that he doesn't show his own power. So actually carcinosin has got a lot of tremendous power inside, and they cannot support any kind of injustice happening around. For that, they will fight to any extent. That is what they feel, the power they feel. So such people, they need to be shut, they need to be just kept quiet, they need to be kept hidden behind the bars. They have to be just pulled down, that in any form, that they do not raise their voice. They have to, the people around have to invoke fear in them, that if you do this, then we will. So their weak point is what, Carcinosin's weak point is his own people, from whom he seeks happiness and love from his own people. So they are threatened, they are given those threats that if you take such an action, then your family will be done so and so, and so these people, they get scared then, that no, don't do anything to my family. This is how typically in our movies it is shown, that a very bold police inspector is there, a bold CID officer is there, bold investigating officer is there, but he cannot show his boldness, because the other people, the villain side, they know his weak point. They will catch hold of his family and threaten him, and that is how Carcinosin submits. That is how Carcinosin will yield to domination. Okay, so that is how he gets dominated. Ailments from domination. So a child who is not scared of his any kind of action taken, he will just stand for what is right, and then people dominate him, and then they say, you shut your mouth, otherwise you are screwed. Okay, your sister, I will do this to your sister, I will do this to your mother, or I will say this to your father. And then that is why they want to maintain that harmony, and in that harmony they feel, no, this should not be broken. I love my family, they should also love me back, and this should not happen that they stop loving me for any reason. So ailments from domination in children. Long excessive history of excessive parental control. So parental control is so much, people around are so strict. So it could be this way, that the child does not get any scope to express himself, to raise his voice, because the father has been a very dominating figure in the family. So since the beginning also, since inception also, the mother has carried this feeling that people around are very powerful, and my child should not do anything that can subject him to any kind of abuse or any kind of strict behavior from my husband or from anybody in the family. And the child is growing up in that shell of the mother, the love and care of the protection of the mother, where the child is submissive, the child is yielding. But then what will define Carcinosin? He will become restless, he will become anxious, he will, that we will see what are the repercussions of such excessive parental control. Then ailments from punishment, that they have done something, for that mischief they are punished. Ailments from being abused with indignation, they don't hold any dignity. Ailments from being abused sexually. So ailments from abused being rape, ailments from violence, sexual violence. So those people who are very free, they raise their voice for wrongs, and then they are silenced by people around, or else they go into a behavior pattern by which they feel that I don't deserve this, I should just do something to keep everyone happy. And that is how that self-abuse happens. Then it could be abused by others, it could be also in Carcinosin a pattern of self-abuse, that could be humiliation, rape after. So this is how they just keep on submitting, they keep on bearing the wrongs, and they do not raise their voice. They will be very polite, very sweet to people around, and they know that things are going in a wrong way, people are not treating them well, but they keep on taking in everything and keep on moving very, very nicely, swiftly. Nobody comes to know that internally what kind of restlessness is going on inside them. So then what could be the pattern that sets? Development of children arrested. So mothers who have faced such circumstances during their pregnancies or just after delivery at any point in time, it can lead to those kind of genetic mutations in the child, that their development gets arrested. Mental development can also get arrested. Company desire for children who are rejected. So those children who are just rejected, who are not accepted by their environments, they are in want of company. They feel that somebody should be there with me, because they lose their own confidence. Discontented himself with, discontented with weeping. Delusion, he's doing nothing right because of the lack of confidence in themselves, because there is nobody to tell them that you are right. So they always feel that maybe like how I said in the earlier one, that delusion, I'm doing something wrong. Delusion, he's doing something wrong. Delusion, he's doing nothing right. And then all the list of endless fears of carcinosin that he has. This could be one track of the ailments of carcinosin. The other track, what goes parallel to this track can be anxiety with hurry. As I said, they hold a lot of anxiety. Carcinosin is there in affectation also. So his kind of anxiety and hurry, he doesn't want to hide it, but somehow he wants to be that it should not disturb others around. They should keep taking my help. I should be useful to them. So this useful desire to be is always there in carcinosin, which leads himself to further feeling of being wrong suffered. He will be the person in the house who's being useful, who wants to be useful. He will provide his help wherever needed to one and all members of the house, from small to the eldest member. In his friend circle, he will be the one who will be friendly to all the friends of that group. No one will say that this person is bad, or he is no, he doesn't help me, he helps him only, he's very partial to this person. No, in carcinosin, nobody can say anything like partial word to him, because he will be very good to all of them. So excitement when anticipating events, that excitement is there in them. Then that hysteria with sleeplessness is there. Then industrious, desire to finish work. He is so industrious, whatever he takes up in hand, he will keep doing something and something and something, and whatever he takes up, he will have a desire to finish it off. That I have done this, I have completed this. Rest cannot until things are in proper place. Like in sepia, like in sulfur, even carcinosin has this, that that internal restlessness, until he has done things properly, fixed everything in place, he will not be able to rest. Once he finishes one thing, he will take up something else. He will be useful to some other person, and he will keep doing so many things at once that nobody can't, it means it is beyond a person's capacity to do everybody's work. So ideas abundant, morning, and then mildness is there, music desire, longing for good opinion of others. Useful, why? Because I want that everyone should think good about me. So all this is creeping inside, and the insecurity is rising and rising. He's trying to fit everywhere possible by this longing for good opinion of others, and this becomes a morbidity in the pathogenesis of carcinosin. Pleasing desire to please others. Like we saw, order desire for, pleasing desire for, then dancing loves to dance. So dancing in the tunes of not oneself but others also. What he loves to do, he will do. What others love also, he will do. So this is how caressing, inclination to caress. He will show his love for others by caressing. So there is a long journey with few cases I will discuss in the next video. Do like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.